Welcome back to Not Real Fishing, everybody, and today we are walking to a park that's behind my apartment complex. There's a bunch of ponds there and I'm hoping that we can fish it, but I don't know if you guys can hear that thunder, but it sounds like the bottom is about to drop out. I originally was gonna go fishing Saturday, had a bunch of stuff come up so I couldn't go. So I'm going today after church, and it's supposed to start storming very shortly here. Now, I don't even know if I'm allowed to fish these ponds. When I look online, I don't see anything saying that I can't. And I see videos talking about, or people talking about the fish they've caught here. Unless I see a sign, I'm gonna fish it. And that's what we're gonna do. Is it weird being around so many people? Little squirrels biting up the tree there. Anyway, it's a pretty little park. It's called Ogden Park. Again, I've never seen any signs saying I can't fish here. So, and there's pictures of people talking about all the bass they've caught here. So unless I see a sign, it's like I was saying, guys, unless I see a sign saying that I can't fish here, this is what I'm gonna try to do. I guess we're gonna start right here because it's already starting to sprinkle. Already have one nibble. If we get one fish, guys, we can call this video a day. There's a lot of lightning. I don't want to take any unnecessary risks. We are swiftly running out of time because it sounds like the bottom's about to drop very soon here. But we're gonna try a couple more casts, and if we don't, then we're gonna have to call it here, unfortunately. I don't control the weather. And I've uploaded videos of me getting skunk fishing before, so. However, we've only been, like you guys, oh, caught a tree. Alright guys, we're just gonna call it there. Very angry skies. Sorry the video is so short. I hoped I'd have more time than that. I literally said I'm gonna go fishing, got myself, walked outside, storms rolled in, lightning was everywhere. I saw 7 lightning strikes while I was out there in less than 30 minutes. So I'm not gonna tempt fate anymore. I'm gonna go home and I don't know, but sorry this video's not really much of a fishing video, but yeah, I saw a couple bass, saw a couple little bluegill, and that was it. And I lost my line. My line got hooked in a tree. I broke it off. Way too windy to try to retie another one on right now, and I'm just gonna go with my gut and call it here. So we'll just call this video a judgment call. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed your week and are enjoying your week, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So in the meantime, take it easy. Okay. Not like I'm catching anything yet.
No, if he hasn't caught anything, he's not going to have this on. He's not going to keep the video.
Well, we don't film anyway, so that it's not going to mess up his thing if he does post them.
Hey, keep your hat up.
It's all good.
You know I can tell when you're lying and you say you're not. I can tell. I said...
It's okay, you can talk. It's a little bluegill. It's a little healthy bluegill. That's a long drop. Just stop there like, I'm good. It's not a very big hook, so I have to be careful. Very lazy fish. He looks sick. It's all right. He's very lethargic. He didn't fight almost at all.
You gonna try to get him again?
No, I'll get a different one.
He's right there.
He's probably not gonna bite again.
He might. Is that the same bass we saw a minute ago?
No, there's a couple of them over here. Not really targeting bass with this fly, but some nice sized gills in here.
Calm down. Just swallow.
A little bit. Another little bluegill. I mean, I can clearly hook a bass. It's just, yeah. We can start walking now. Huh? Yeah, then I'm gonna read that sign. What does it say?
No fishing allowed.
Oh, then I'm about to stop. Is that really what it says?
Yes, no fishing allowed.
Oh, is that what that one says?
No fishing allowed, warning, no swimming. No fishing allowed, it's the same one.
Well, I guess I
didn't know.
didn't either, because I walked in from that side. Well, I guess
Well,
I'll...
Google says you can. I mean, what am I going to believe, Google or signs at the actual park?
Right, that's why I said I'm gonna wrap it up then.
That's not wrapping it up. Illegal. Well, you did say somebody came by you earlier and they didn't say
Yeah, the
anything.
park range, the management guys drove right past me, didn't say a word. The guys on the trucks,
Yeah?
he didn't say
Maybe
anything
that
to
was
me.
just park maintenance. Maybe it wasn't.
Yeah, but he didn't say anything to me, so I was like,
I don't know. Well, before we get in trouble, let's
I'm gonna do one more cast and I'll be done.
legitimately pack it up.
Yeah.
I don't want somebody to get mad. Well, I don't want.
Yeah. Does it say no fishing near the fountain or?
No fishing allowed.
Oh, alrighty then.
And that one says the same thing. It's got the same picture.
Alrighty then. That answers that question then.
Sorry, baby.
No, that's okay.
There's plenty of other places.
For sure. I just didn't. Matter of fact, I'm gonna leave this out. I'll fish the pond by our house.
I wanted to walk around.
Oh, it's a long walk.
No, that's fine.
I just don't want to wrap this up and then.
Unravel it again.
Actually, I'm being totally honest. It's because I didn't want the sun to set.
Uh-huh.
The sun to set before we got back. But why don't we come walk out here like
Well, we can't this week. We have VBS.
Yeah, but we have the rest of the week.
I really want to come out here and walk this at least once a day.
Yeah. If they had the sign over there, I never would have fished here. Like, I'm being 100% honest. I do not fish places once I see a sign.
There's a guy over there fishing and he doesn't seem to care.
Cassie's first time fishing. Hey, let me see. I'm gonna teach you how to cast it.
I can learn.
You're doing it wrong. Look,
I want to try to learn.
I'm gonna show you.
back.
You're stopping too far forward. You got to go back. Look. So don't stop like this. You want to stop like up here. So you're gonna. Oof. You're good. Straight up, straight back. You got to get more on the back cast. Back and then stop. Look, I'm teaching you. Look, see the line? You want to get the line straight, straight back, straight forward.
What I was doing.
No, you're doing this.
Maybe that worked.
No, it didn't.
That's fine.
I may need to put on a bigger fly.
I shouldn't be doing that anyway.
Why?
My fishing license is expired. God forbid someone comes out here and sees us. It would be my luck.
Probably.
And then I get a freaking fine for fishing without a license. So let's not do that and say we did. See, this weather right here is glorious. If it could be like this year round, I'd be happy. I don't know about you. This is beautiful.
Oh no, I'm gonna come over here to catch fish.
Hey, trash people.
This is where the fish are. Ready?
Yeah.
How many casts do you think it's gonna take?
3.
3?
Oh, if you guys didn't mind me sitting on your boat, I'd so sit there. Damn you.
Language.
Darn you.
It's an angry little boy.
You gonna cut that out?
I don't know. Maybe. What am I doing? Trying to catch him. I gotta tire him out. This isn't my heavy duty rods where I can just yank them up. This rod's got a lot more flex. If I catch this bass, this would be the biggest one I've caught on this rod.
No.
Yeah, I haven't caught very many bass on this rod. I've only caught bluegill. Feels like he's getting tired.
Don't break it.
Mom.
Nice. He may be itty bitty, but he's still a bass.
He's itty bitty, but the only reason why we got him is because we went fishing after the storm. And it was before the third cast. That's the biggest fish on this rod so far.
So a PB on the Tenkara.
No, not in Tenkara. On the rod that the company sent me, the ESZ.
Oh, that's what that is?
Yeah.
Oh, you need to tag them in the freaking comments below.
Maybe.
Are you sure it's ESV?
ESV is the Bible. ESZ is the rod.
ESZ.
ESZ. I kept saying ESV the first time.
ESZ. Is it EZS?
It's ESZ.
Okay. What the? What is that?
That is a whittle bluegill. A whittle bluegill. Whittle baby. This is what you call fish bait.
Oh my goodness.
I've caught smaller. He's what that bass.
That little fluke.
He's what that bass that was there was waiting for to swim out of that hole. Put a wind knot in my line.
Sorry.
It's okay.
You got ready?
Almost. Why?
I'm tired.
Just
I'm
one.
hungry.
Just one more cast. Which really means another 50.
Yeah, too bad.
That is what you call a snag. I won't. Whoa! Did I get that on camera?
I hope so.
It popped off the hook. It popped off the snag. Then he ate that as it was coming out of the water.
I hope you got that on camera. 'Cause that's funny.
He's dark. Look how dark he is.
Look at that face.
Because he was dark. I don't know if he had like oil on him or something. Did you want to? No, you don't want to. I'll see if you wanted to pick out a fly and I try a couple casts with it.
No.
Okay. All right, well, I'm gonna call it here.